Hello guys, this is russianvsgerman, and it's a really great opportunity for me to be here to record a new video in my YouTube channel. This is Self-Taught Polyglot, and this is russianvsgerman for Self-Taught Polyglot. And today I just want to talk about my New Year's resolution, how it's been. I've been thinking about my New Year's resolution for the last few days since the very beginning of this year, this month, January. I'm still thinking about it. Today is January 10th. I'm still thinking about it. I want to include a new language in my list. It's gonna be either German or Russian. My heart goes to Russian. I really want to learn this language, whereas my head goes to German. So I'm basically thinking, I've been thinking for more than 2 days whether I have to keep on with my heart or my head. So I expect to learn German because German. When you go to Germany, there are a lot of opportunities for people who want to study and do other stuff. But Russian, I feel like I really want to learn this language for a lot of reasons. Especially, I have a great tendency to like the Russian language, and also I think that it's a really good opportunity to learn Russian. And Russian is a really interesting language, and I feel like learning Russian is going to be the perfect language for me because Russian is I like the sound of the language. I like how the language works. I like the grammar. I like the phonology, and I like the culture. Whereas German, there are a lot of opportunities in Germany. A lot of opportunity in Germany. Once you speak German, it's basically the language that I should learn, especially in Haiti. I just want to learn one of these languages, Russian and or German, because I'm going to improve my Italian. My Italian is intermediate. I want to improve it just to get it into advanced. This is one of my challenge for the first 6 months of the year. So there's a lot of challenges when it comes to language learning and choosing which language you have to tackle. I hope to choose one of them, and it's going to be fantastic. So I just want to say thank you, and this is Self-Taught Polyglot. I hope that you subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive new notification from this channel, and then you can click the notification bell so that you don't miss any video whenever I post a new video on our YouTube channel. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.